Hello friends. Today we're going to learn about cooking and delicious food. We'll practice food vocabulary, learn about some and any, and discover how to follow simple recipe instructions. Get ready to become cooking champions. Let's learn our food words. We have eggs, cheese, bread, tomatoes, onions, chicken, pasta, salt, and pepper. We also have butter, milk, and flour. Can you see all these ingredients? Let's say them together. Eggs, cheese, bread, tomatoes, onions, chicken, pasta, salt, and pepper. Now let's learn some and any. We use some in positive sentences and questions. For example, I need some eggs. Do you have some cheese? We use any in negative sentences and questions. For example, I don't have any butter. Do you have any tomatoes? Let's practice together. Let's make tomato pasta. First, boil some water. Second, add salt to the water. Third, put the pasta in the water. Fourth, chop some tomatoes and onions. Fifth, cook the tomatoes and onions in a pan with butter. Sixth, add salt and pepper. Finally, mix the pasta with the sauce. Delicious! Remember, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Finally, great job! Now it's your turn. Can you say the food words? Eggs, cheese, bread, tomatoes, onions, chicken, pasta, salt, pepper. Now make sentences with some and any. I need some eggs. Do you have any cheese? Finally, can you remember the pasta recipe steps? First, boil water. Second, add salt. Third, put pasta in. You're amazing. Keep practicing and you'll be a cooking expert in English.